I'm recording this.
Well, I believe in God. No, that's okay. Whatever you decide, you're busy.
You freak. Freaking. I'm putting this on YouTube.
Oh, okay, ready?
Ew. You putting it on YouTube?
What happens is we have singing all in unison at the beginning.
They say, oh, good morning. What's it saying?
We have a tornado warning, guys.
Oh, bitches. Fuck all the damn.
Jenny, shut up.
Oh, damn bitches. You. Oh, it's recording? Yeah. Oh, shit. Put it on YouTube, dude.
That's probably why he's not here.
You motherfucker.
I didn't even know it was recording.
All the fucking girls that can't get a dick, get a vagina.
I'm torn between two guys.
I'm torn.
Well, he says,
Ew.
alert, Angel's talking.
Someone got fucked. Oh my god. You're recording that? No shit.
We're in choir class.
Oh, I know what I was saying.
Donna.
The first page is unison, and then we...
Oh, look at her hair, yo. We haven't even got to singing yet, but you know.
Look at her.
Random moments. Hopes. Bitches. Nuts. Shout out to you.
Boom shaka laka, boom shaka laka, boom.
Chocolate suck the dick. Stop. It's a knife. Record Mr. Gallo.
Pardon the interruption. At this time, we are going to shelter in place for a tornado warning at this time. All students, if you're in the hallways, please report to
Wait,
the
so what does
nearest
that mean? We have to
classroom.
like hide?
All outside activities need to cease.
My dog.
Oh
my God.
Very much. The warning's in effect till 3:45.
We don't have
I'll be in
one.
contact
We don't
with
have
you.
a dog.
Find out
Okay,
if
we don't
you're
have a
Look at my
tornado.
shirt. Oh, you never know.
You never know.
Darling's all my
Thank you very
plans.
much, and
I know,
stay
but...
calm. We'll take care of you.
Oh,
Hi. Your tongue is pink.
If a tornado would come, I'll scream.
Wait, Mr. Really pink.
The freaks. You know what my mom told me? If you hear a train, that means it's a tornado.
no shit, bro. I'm picking her nose.
Dude, can I call my mom to tell her to bring the dog inside?
Yeah, tell my mom.
No, sit down,
I'm gonna tell mom.
Okay.
Did you hear about the tornado warning?
Quiet, please.
Oh my god.
So,
Oh my god.
and the power goes out. This would be the random. Janie, I'm getting you.
Suck my cock. If you can.
Open your mouth. Let's put it in. If you don't know what I'm speaking, I'll say it in Spanish for you.
Pick her nose.
Bitches? No, wait.
Wait, you should pick my nose.
Pick her nose.
Wait, doesn't that mean we have to like hide under
These are freaks,
Yes,
alright?
no,
All my little
this.
motherfuckers.
Hey.
My nose, look. Look at that big hole.
Big hole. I'm gonna sit
Oh, let me see.
See it?